Well, hello there, and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be sharing with you WordPress themes for dropshipping. Let's get started. Themify Shoppe WooCommerce theme. Shoppe is a multi-purpose WooCommerce theme that helps you build professional e-commerce sites in minutes. It comes with a drag and drop Themify builder and many e-commerce features such as Ajax cart, wishlist, quick look lightbox, Ajax quick search, product image zoom and gallery, and tons of layout options. Shopper theme offers additional theme skins that can transform your site with a completely different look and feel. Select a skin and click Import Demo to set up your site instantly like the one existing in the demo. Using a Themify builder, you can build almost any layouts you can imagine and it will be responsive. If time is a concern, simply import a pre-designed layout included in the theme. There are over 60 plus regular layouts and 20 plus shop landing page layouts. Shopper theme includes tons of layout options. The layout resource files are smartly loaded when the layout screen is selected, making the theme load fast without having to load all unnecessary files. It is so flexible that you can select the layout either for the entire site or page basis. Building an e-commerce site has never been so easy with Shop theme. Impress your visitors with these shop features and make your shop feel like a big brand. Building an e-commerce site has never been so easy with Shop theme. Impress your visitors with these Shop theme features and it will make your shop feel like a big brand. Toko, electronic store WooCommerce theme for affiliates, dropship, and multi-vendor websites. In this world of multi-purpose themes loaded with more features than necessary and trying to be like a Swiss Army knife, Toko electronic store WooCommerce theme is a chef's knife. It is built for any purpose to help you build your e-commerce website that looks like one of the top e-commerce websites. We have embedded the latest trends in the new age e-commerce websites like small font, simpler headers, cleaner checkout, better navigation, and lesser white space. The theme is built using experience in building some of the most popular electronic store markets like Electro and Techmarket. The theme comes with 5 different homepage templates and 17 blogs for you to choose from. The homepages are customizable via code or page builders where you can create a mix of 17 blogs in different ways to build unique homepages. Building mega menus is very easy with Toku and do not require third-party plugins. The theme comes included both with a vertical and horizontal mega menu. The dummy content follows the mega menu style of most popular e-commerce websites. You can use them as a starting point to build your own stylish mega menu. Setting up your dropshipping business? Then to go. Electronic store, WooCommerce, theme for affiliate, dropship, and multi-vendor website comes in handy. The Hanger e-commerce WordPress theme for WordPress. The Hanger is a versatile premium WordPress theme that provides all the tools required to build unique online stores or multifunctional website within a reasonable time frame. The theme is designed by Power Allied author Get Bowtied with performance in mind and flexibility when it comes to plugin compatibility. You don't need any coding experience to use the theme. It comes with a quick start installation guide to make sure that it's easy to set up your website within a click. The Hanger is optimized for Gutenberg, the new content editor included in WordPress. Don't like Gutenberg? No problem. You can also use old and powerful WordPress Bakery page builder, which comes included in the theme. The hanger also comes with a flexible header that puts together all the functionality required by a professional website. The hanger's header style will welcome your visitors and make them feel comfortably involved. It comes with unlimited colors for background, text, links, and icons with full or box layouts. Sticky as you scroll, full responsive, the hanger header will adapt to any project and any screen resolution. If you build an e-commerce website, you know the importance of categorizing your products. We know it too. That's why the hanger comes with a dedicated navigation for your categories, accessible in all pages of your website. This way, you'll always keep your customers focused on your products. And of course, if you prefer a minimalistic design, you can choose to disable it. Try out the Hanger e-commerce WordPress theme to build your dropshipping business. Techmarket, multi-demo and electronic store WooCommerce theme. Techmarket design is well suited for electronic store, organic store, retail store, shoe store, garden tool store, grass store, vendor-based marketplace using plugins like Docan, WC Vendors, or WC Marketplace. The theme is built on top of the underscore framework. The code is lean and extendable. This will allow developers to easily add functionality to your site via child theme and custom plugin. The theme has 7 different shop demos and 8 different homepage styling and lots of shop pages to choose your favorite from. Any content from each single homepage or a shop page can be transferred into another one very easily. Some of the general SASE features that comes with the Techmarket WordPress theme include easy one-click installation and setup, free updates, and one-to-one support. It comes with importable dummy data built on Bootstrap 4, 7 shop demos, and YouTube Live Page Loader, among many others. You can also edit some customizations around the integration with the Google font, where you can choose from the awesome font icon, integrate with social media, and you can paste any custom CSS easily into the theme. Fall in love with the Techmarket multi-demo for electronic store WooCommerce theme for your dropshipping business. Gecko, powerful Ajax WordPress theme. Gecko, powerful Ajax WordPress theme for online fashion store, handmade store, organic store, furniture store, and the list goes on. It looks stunning on all types of screen and devices, including easy to set up MailChimp, Contact Form 7, Instagram feed, WooCommerce email transaction, product color and image swatches, product color swatches with gallery images, product video gallery, social sharing, and the list goes on and on. The theme comes with a documentation to guide you on what to do, where to click when you're setting up your WooCommerce theme. Some of the fancy features that Gecko powerful Ajax WooCommerce themes brag about is the responsive design, sticky header, header layout options, WooCommerce currency switcher, product list brand review, WooCommerce color and image variant swatches, among many others. I would highly recommend that you check the Gecko powerful Ajax WooCommerce theme when you're setting up your dropshipping business. Well, thanks for being part of this nugget. And if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.